Alright, the temperature is showing 92.8 degrees inside the grow bin. And as they would say, I have switched horses midstream. This is December the 5th, 2022. And I started having some mold issues with the seeds in the peat moss and perlite mixture. So I went back to a system that I've used before in the past. It is orchid moss that has been warmed and dampened, placed inside the container, and the seeds inside there. My hopes are this will give it more airflow around the seeds to prevent any more mold growth. I did take the seeds out of the other container, wash them really well, and put them back inside here. When I relocated the seeds, there were no signs of germination at this point. Again, was getting a little bit of a mold issue. I don't know if that was because I am germinating these inside. This is December, and the last ones I germinated in the carport. Were more outside, had more airflow to them. So hopefully the orchid moss will help, and I haven't killed these seeds restarting and moving them in here. I didn't re-soak them. I just rinsed them off, cleaned them real well, and put them in here. December the 5th, 2022. Condensation there on the lid of the germination container. It does appear that the smaller container is doing better about keeping the humidity inside. Hopefully the orchid moss is giving enough air for it to breathe, and I won't have the mold issues I'm having before when I had it in the peat moss and perlite. I do have to keep a close watch on them when they do germinate so the roots don't become twisted or bound up. But with a smaller container, already showing better signs of condensation and humidity inside, and the heat mat is actually keeping the temperature inside more regular at 93.7. So smaller container and orchid moss appears to be working better so far. It is December the 15th, 2022, and I just received my 201 Bismarck palm tree seeds. I've already got them in some warm water soaking. We'll get these soaked for a few days and then get them ready for germination. It is now January the 3rd, 2023, and we do have some growth on a few of them. So they have started germinating. I will go through all of these and check them. Not all of them will be starting just yet. There's another one. But January 3rd, 2023, Bismarck palms are germinating. Quite a few of them have germinated. I'll get these few potted up and let the rest continue to germinate. Okay, so we had 28 that have germinated as of January the 3rd, 2023. I have them in pots now, and these have been thoroughly watered, and I will be placing them inside this little grow bin with a clear lid, and they will be going inside the greenhouse for the rest of the growth cycle. Here are a couple of 3-gallon Bismarck palm trees and a couple that I have started myself from seed. Hopefully I'll be able to put these in the ground this year, and these will be my parent plants going forward. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. These are some adult Bismarck palm trees here at Disney's Animal Kingdom in Orlando. As you can see, these trees are huge, large, silvery fronds. Those are at least 12 to 15 feet long. Beautiful trees. These are what the Bismarck palm will look like as adults.